Right then, so today we're going to be going to the wheel color shop, and we are also going to be doing our first modification to the car. So before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, slap that share button as much as you can, because like I said in the previous video, this is just the beginning. Let's get it. So at the moment, we're on the way to the wheel shop. As you might have known from the previous videos, we had done a few research, but the wheels for this car is very hard to find, especially in the color bronze. And the one I'm looking for is gloss bronze, which I can't find. So I'm getting some professional advice from Allo Wheel Shop. They asked me to come down and see a few colors of there. So let's see how that goes. Customize the wheels for the A-Class. Yeah. So I went down to AWR, which is located in Coventry, and I met with one of the team members there, where we went through the details on how they prep the wheel. So in plain sight, they simply strip down the actual color on the alloys itself, and then they put whatever color that you want. So it could be red, blue, green, whatever the color is. They do it 3 times, and then the final one is the clear coating, which is a long process, but for them, they've been doing it for many years, and hence why a lot of big companies have come out to them to get these wheels done, aka Aston Martin. This one here right now is the Lamborghini Bronze, and this is what we're considering for my Mercedes A-Class. So that is the trip completed down to AWR in UK. So if you want to get any of your wheels done, any wheel refurbishments, or if you get scratches, scuffs, dings or dents on the wheels, or if you want to get the color repainted on the wheels, then do give them a shout, because they are professional at what they do. So heading off to our next mission. So today we're going to be putting these 2 flaps on. So these are the flaps for the side of the car, and at the moment, I'm not sure if you can see it, we'll bring it here, it's not the best.
Oh my god, bro.
It's not the best presentation, but with these paddles will make it look really nice. So these red ones, so let's get that all sorted out. At the moment, it's got nothing in there. So one has nothing and the other one's got double-sided tape. So let's see how that goes. I need to first straighten out the wheel. There you go. I didn't even know that was black until I saw it. It's got some rust on it. There's a reason why you need a tape, because look, I'm just putting it on there, it's not sticking, it's just falling off. So you have to have tape. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the back side off and then slap this in there. See how that goes nicely. It's like I've become a surgeon for some reason. Gotta get this perfect, nicely in there. That's it. Press it very hard, making sure it's very grippy, otherwise it's not going to stick on properly, and then you have to take this red part, which is now getting stuck. Oh god. Yep. There we are, so that's the inside. So see, it's very sticky, and what you do is you just slap it on there, very gently though. Push it in. And there you go. That should be well on.
Ooh, I think it's look cool.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
And it matches the inside of the red as well. So look at that. It's got red. Red stitchings on the seats as well. You can zoom on here. So it's all matching. So now we have to do the other side now. So again, sticky test, all look good. And then we slap it on there. Press it hard. That's actually fitting on very nicely. Look at that. That's it. There you go. Now give it a few days. So if you have one of these, you would know it'll take a few days for it to settle in. So you don't want to be pushing out too hard. But I think overall these look really nice. There we go. So you got all these ones. See? That's quite nice.
They look cool.
That's a perfect job. Well done.
Matching with the old.
Yeah, it's got matching with this. So I think the end result's pretty good so far. that's the first modifications. I have a few more other modifications that I need to complete, but I'm still waiting for the wheels. The wheels is the main thing that I want to complete on this car. So hopefully once that's all sorted, I'll be able to get all the other modifications done. But yeah, done.